This problem, they want you to calculate the perimeter in part A, and they want you to calculate the area minus the warehouse and the parking area for part B. So let's focus on part A first. The first thing you have to do is you have to figure out the length of each of these sides, and how we're going to do that is we use the x and y values for the ordered pairs. So for this side over here, you're going from 0, well, let's look at the y-axis because it's a vertical. So you're going from 0 to 60. So this height is 60, or this dimension is 60. On the bottom, let's look at the x value. We're going from 0 to 50. So this full length of the bottom is 50. Across the top, we're also using the x value because it's horizontal. So we're going from 0 to 70. So this dimension is 70. Now the only dimension we're missing is this diagonal piece. And we have to make this a right angle or a triangle. So now you have a triangle over on the side with the diagonal, and you have a rectangle. We already know the dimensions for the rectangle, so now let's figure out the dimensions for this diagonal piece. We know the dotted line that I drew, we know its height is 60. All the way across the top is 70, but across the bottom is 50. So what's this little section on the top part of the triangle? It's 70 minus 50, which is 20. Now we still have to figure out the diagonal, or this is also the hypotenuse of this triangle. And if you have two sides of a triangle and you're looking for the third, you're going to use Pythagorean Theorem. So you're going to do 60 squared plus 20 squared equals x squared, c squared, whatever variable you want to give it, but I'm just giving it an x. So let's solve that. I have not solved it, so I get to do that with you right now. Oop, wrong button. 60 squared plus 20 squared equals 4,000, and we got to find the square root of 4,000. So x equals 63.2. Now we have all the dimensions for all the sides. So now for perimeter, you have to add up all the sides. So 70 plus 60 plus 50 plus 63.2. And if we add all of those up together, 70 plus 60 plus 50 plus 63.2, you get 243.2. So that's how you do part A. Part B is asking for area. You got to remember the formulas for area. So I'll be making another video in just a second for part B.